County Humane Society. Our cat of the week is Rocky. Here he is. He loves to play. He's tired. He's been playing with all the other cats today. Big stretch. And he is part Persian. He's about 2 years old. He's really good with kids, and he's pretty good with other cats. I don't know how he is about dogs, but I'm sure he'd probably have his way with them. He's had all of his shots. He's been neutered, and you can see he's a real live wire, although he has been playing here all day at the shelter. He's really kicked back. He doesn't care what you do to him. He'd be really good in your household if you want somebody to lay on top of your computer while you're working, or maybe sitting on your kitchen sink, or maybe sitting in the window looking at birds. This is the boy. He could be indoor, outdoor kitty. He's really healthy. And again, come on down, take a look at Rocky. Say hello. Well, he flipped you an ear. I guess that's a good sign. So come on down. We're open Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 4:30, and we're open late on Wednesdays until 7. So, do you want to go back to sleep? Oh, look at this guy. What a ham.